In this quick introductory video, we're going to learn about the different Quran modes of this application. We're going to explore the difference between the university mode and the simple mode. Then we're going to learn how to use the landscape mode, where we're going to learn that in addition to the default vertical mode, there is the possibility to use this application, the Quran, and view it in the landscape mode as well. Then we're going to learn how to change the background of the Quran page script from the default color of white to the possibility of using other colors. This application has been uniquely designed to fit the needs for studying Quran, and for that reason, we have equipped it with unique tools and special features that would allow it to fulfill the purpose. An example of which is the ability to easily select a range of ayats to study. Just touch with your finger on a range of ayat and they'll be highlighted, and then the top or the first ayah in the range selected will be highlighted in green, which indicates that it is the focus that we'll start with as we study the Quran, as we listen to the tilawah, or as we try to imitate the tilawah or memorize it. The Quran University mode provides us with easy access to different tools that will help us study the Quran. For example, clicking tilawah button, then library button will give us access to the Quranic library, tafsir, translation, and other books that would help us understand the Quran. We'll have access also to tools that would help us memorize the Quran and tools that would help us improve our tajweed and tilawah. Clicking on assignment button, if we are registered with a teacher in a course or halaqah, would give us access to our list of assignment, which will allow us to interact with the teacher, where we can access our assignments that the teacher has forwarded to us, work on it, study it, then submit your tilawah to the teacher for correction. And with your teacher's feedback, you'd be able to view your mistakes and work on correcting them. In addition to this fancy and highly advanced university mode, we have created a very simplified mode. So simple that it resembles you carrying the Mus'haf in your hands and flipping easily between its pages. Or if you want to listen to the Quran, it is so simple that it resembles listening to Quran radio or watching Quran TV. To switch to simple mode, click on the control button here, then click on settings menu, this one, then click on Quran mode here. This will open a pop-up window named Quran modes, where you'll find university mode as the default choice. Now you can choose simple mode here and click apply. Then we'll see a very simple Quran page, utilizing and filling the whole screen of your device. To move to the previous page, simply swipe to the left. To move to the next page, simply swipe to the right. To move to a far page, drag with your finger from the top down. That will bring a menu on the top. Click up the surah you want to move to and then click on it. If you prefer listening rather than reading on your own, simply drag your finger from bottom up and you'll get a very simplified tilawah menu. This simplified tilawah menu would allow you to choose to listen to the Muqra online without the need to download the recitation audio files to your local device. Yet it requires active connectivity with the internet. For example, if we pick up Sheikh Sudais and say play,
قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد,
or pick up a different reciter like Sheikh Al-Husari,
لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
This recitation menu can be always hidden by touching anywhere on the surface of the screen.
قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق.
Now let's switch back to the university mode. So we're back now to the university mode. Now we're going to demonstrate how to activate the landscape mode. Click on Control Panel, Setting, then Landscape Mode Settings, then click on and Save. You need to tilt the device to see the Quran in landscape mode. So if you tilt it clockwise, it will turn it from vertical to landscape. Counterclockwise will bring it back to vertical. Swiping the finger up or down will scroll through the Quran page in landscape mode. To change the page of the Quran background color from white to a different color, click on Control Panel, Settings, Page Color Settings, then click on Page Color, choose Light Brown, click Preview, you'll preview it, click now Green, click Preview, preview it, then click on Blue, preview it, and if you like it, save it. And once saved, it would be reflected on all pages of the Quran. This was a quick demonstration where we have explained the difference between University mode and Simple Quran mode. We have also demonstrated how to activate the landscape mode and eventually shown you how to change the background color of the Quran from white to other colors.